This classic, mid-century home is just waiting for the right buyer to come along and experience all the wonders the San Fernando Valley has to offer. With over 1,500 square feet of move-in ready living space, you'll walk into an open floor plan complete with luxury vinyl wood plank flooring, new French doors leading to the freshly landscaped backyard, and used brick gas-burning fireplace to keep you warm on chilly winter nights. The remodeled kitchen is complete with granite countertops and plenty of upgraded maple cabinetry, complete with pull-out drawers under the stovetop. You'll also notice the convenient hideaway laundry area. Four large bedrooms include an oversized room with its own entrance that could double as a second master, home office, or boarder quarters. Other amenities not to be overlooked are dual pane windows, newer carpeting, oil varnished ceiling fans and dining chandelier, 200 amp electrical panel, and newer roof, water heater, and climate control system. Located in the heart of the San Fernando Valley near the Sepulveda Basin Recreation Area, Lake Balboa, and Japanese Gardens, as well as award-winning schools and only minutes away from major commuter access ways, Lake Balboa is a great place to call home.